1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Woo!
Hello guys, and welcome back to this one. So today we are going to be looking at the complexity for the mesh sorted files. So we've been talking about this, that multiple files are coming in a stream sense, and we don't want to hold the entire file in the RAM. So basically we want to have sorted files and then want to turn it into a singly sorted file. So basically what we are trying to do is now see how we make use of heap to now optimize what we had in the brute force. And we've seen the graphical illustration, we see the debugger tool illustration, but now it's now for us to now appreciate the complexity behind it. Now for the brute force, we had O of n k, right? So basically the number of values within the so the number of values in the entire file times the times the number of files that we have, right? Okay, but now when we come to this complexity, we have n log k. So basically log the amount of files that we have, because this time around we have an ADT that helps us, at quicker time, rather than checking through the entire files, helps us immediately with log k time go and get us the least value for us to pop, right? And that's the advantage of heap, and that's what it helps us do. So you can see that here we see the n because we go through every single trade in the files, and then log k because our heap uses log k to process the sorted data structure. So basically that's it. And then when we come to space is basically saying, oh, what is the amount, there's the maximum amount of data you hold in the space while this illustration, while this process is going on. And we will see that in our mini heap, because at the maximum point in time, the mini heap would obviously have at least one value. Yes, yeah, basically at most one value from each of the lists. So basically that's why we have k here as the solution. So I hope this maybe has been an eye opener for you as well as for me, because it really helped me slow down and see everything again in context and be able to make this video. So I hope it also did that for you as well. So yeah, that's it for me. And for this problem, next up we are going to be looking at something else but around heaps as well. That's it for me, which is gracias.